The first unit is on preliminary concepts. And the subtopics are modular arithmetic. Ito, highlight ko. Yan, modular arithmetic, functions. We did this in Calculus 1, right? First part. And equivalence relations. Is this new to you, modular arithmetic?
Yan po ba yung module ko?
Yes, yes. Addition modulo M, subtraction, multiplication modulo M. And then functions, and then equivalence relations. So, these are the subtopics under Unit 1, preliminary concepts or preliminary topics. And then we have the second chapter, or second unit rather, which is on groups. Now, for abstract algebra, we shall be talking about systems, okay, algebraic systems. And the first of the algebraic systems that we shall study is groups. And under groups, the subtopics are binary operations, okay, your addition, your multiplication are binary operations, but not your division. Why? You'll find out later, okay, when we shall be discussing the definition of binary operations. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sige. And then, yan, sample of groups, and then elementary properties of groups. So, that's the second chapter, or second unit. And then, subgroups. From group to subgroups, then order of a group, order of an element, subgroups, cyclic subgroups. That's the focus of chapter 3. Chapter 4 yan kasi yung first chapter is orientation. And then cyclic groups, definition, and then samples. Then we have, in passing na lang kasi we will be discussing each anyway in detail when we get to that topic or particular chapter rather. Then we have permutation groups, permutation and symmetry, yan, orbits and cycles, properties of permutations. Then cosets and the Lagrange theorem, cosets and the theorem. Then isomorphisms, homomorphisms, automorphisms. Mga bago sa inyo, no? Bago sa pandinig nyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Normal subgroups, factor groups, and the last on homomorphism. Yan. Group homomorphism. So, 9 pala siya. So, there are 9 chapters actually, not 8. 9 chapters. So, the first part is intro, preliminary, or review of your number theory. You had your number theory last year, yes? Natapos nyo hanggang properties of congruences, di ba? Review of modulo arithmetic. So, modular arithmetic is sometimes referred to as clock arithmetic. Bakit kinompare yung modulo arithmetic sa clock arithmetic? If you can remember or recall from your a number theory. What can you recall about congruences, about modulo operations from number theory? For instance, if I ask you to perform 2 plus 5 modulo 6. Ano yon? 2 plus 5 modulo 6. Can you recall? 2 plus 5 modulo 6? What will that be?
1, ma'am.
Okay, why 1?
1. 2 plus 5 equals divide by
Catherine.
remainder 1.
Ay, Kelly. Okay, sige. Ayan, because by modulo, let me highlight. By modulo, we simply mean the remainder. Okay? The remainder upon division by the modulus. So, in the case of the clock, the modulus is 12. Yes? So, instead of saying 20 hours, what will that be? 20 minus the closest multiple of 12 to 20 is 12, right? So, 20 minus 12 is 8. Kaya 8 o'clock. Or the remainder upon division by, or the remainder when we divide 20 by 12 is 8. Kaya, 20 modulo 12 is 8. So, when we say then modulo, we simply mean the remainder upon division by m. Alam nyo na yan. So, exercises or examples rather. All of you can see this. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 17 modulo 5, y 2. Again, the closest multiple of 5 to 17 is 15, di ba? So, 17 minus 15 is 2. Another example, 20 modulo 3. Don't worry, I'm going to forward this material to you via FB Messenger. Kasi there are some who were not able to join our meeting this morning. They can still access the material or you can download the material and you can review it later. Okay? 20 modulo 3 is 2. Why? Because the closest multiple of 3 to 20 is 18. Yes?
Yes.
20 minus 18 is 2. In like manner, 7 modulo 11 is 7. 11 modulo 11 is 0. So, looking into the elements of Z sub m then, so in general then, Z sub m consists of, so kung remainders, upon division by m, then the elements of Z sub m should be from 0 to m. Elements of Z sub 4 have multiplicative inverses. In our table a while ago, it's 1 and 3 only, yes?
1 and 2.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 1 and 3. Sige. Elements 1 and 3. By the way, we denote it this way.
Ayan, ma'am. Okay na po yan,
Okay na
ma'am.
po.
Ganyan na lang din. So, 1 inverse is 1, yes? And 3 inverse is 3, di ba? Because 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 modulo 4 is 1. Okay, now let's go back to Z sub 5. Sige, balikan natin si Z sub 5. Ito si Z sub 4, ah. Si 1 at 3 may inverses, but 0 and 2, 0 and 2 do not have multiplicative inverses, so does not exist. 0 inverse does not exist, 2 inverse does not exist. So let's go back to Z sub 5. Z sub 5 whose elements are 0 to 4. Now, can you identify the multiplicative inverse of each element of Z sub 5? Multiplicative, ah? Tapos na tayo sa additive. Let me denote it that way. So, to differentiate it from additive inverse, ito siya, 0, superscript, minus sign. Meron ba? Inverse of 0? Is there such a number?
Wala po, ma'am.
Oh, wala. So, DNE.
Wala, ma'am.
Oh, DNE. 1 inverse. Obvious. Di ba Z sub 5 tayo hanggang 4 lang? Pag Z sub 5, anong elements natin? 0 to 4. So, which number must be multiplied to 1 to get? Meron? 1?
Wala, ma'am.
Meron. 1 times 1 is 1, di ba? Correct? What should I multiply to 1 to get 1? Edi 1. Gets nyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. 2 inverse. Remember,
Meron, ma'am.
ano? What should it be?
3.
Oh, correct.
3, ma'am.
Paano, ma'am?
Yes, 3. Kasi 2 times 3 is 6, yes? And 6.
Yes,
Sige.
ma'am.
Those of you who cannot, merong nagre-respond sa chat, okay lang. Sige, yung magulo ang background, you can respond via our chat box. Sige, 3. Correct, Jomar. Next. 3 inverse. 2. Correct.
Oo, ma'am.
4 inverse. 4 inverse is correct, 4. Kasi 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 modulo 5 is 1. Okay? So take note that all elements except 0. Correct? All elements
Yes,
except
ma'am.
0.
Except 0.
Yes, have multiplicative inverses.
Inverses.
Yes. Compare it to Z sub 4. Only 1 and 3, di ba? For Z sub 4, si 1 at 3 lang ang may inverses. O ngayon, on your own, can you please determine the multiplicative inverses of each of the elements of Z sub 6, Z sub 7, and Z sub 9. Z sub 6, Z sub 7, and Z sub 9. Para makita natin ang difference at we can arrive at a generalization. Siguro we can have first Z sub 6 na. Are you ready? Sige. For Z sub 6 muna tayo. 0 inverse? Correct. Does not exist. Z sub 6. Anong ginawa nyo? Z sub 6?
1 lang, ma'am.
1 lang yung meron, ma'am.
1 lang yung meron, ma'am.
Sure kayo? Eh, yung 5, wala?
Wala.
Ah, yung 5, wala?
Ma'am, 5.
5 times 5, di ba? 5 times 5, 25. Oh, meron eh. So, alin ang meron sa 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Si 0, wala. Anong mga wala? 0, 2, 3,
2, 3, 4.
Okay, ito, D, N, E. Okay, kuha nyo? Aling element ang may inverse? Si 1 and 5. Meron, yes? Okay, exist. Have inverses. Next. Si Z7. Alin ang wala?
0.
Okay, si 0 does not exist.
Si 3 pa, ma'am.
Oh?
Meron kay 3.
Meron.
Meron kay 3 sa 5. Wait lang.
Yes. 3 times
Kasi
5.
15, diba?
Okay. So, si 1 to 6, di ba? 3, 4, 5, 6. Meron na kayo nakikita. Parang merong something, di ba? May pattern. Eh, yung Z sub 9. Alin ang wala muna sa Z sub 9? Mahirap yata yung Z sub 9, ano? Mahabang table yun.
0, ma'am.
Okay, alin ang wala? 0, ano pa? Sulat ko muna. So, for Z sub 9, elements of Z sub 9 are 0 to 8. Alin ang wala sa Z sub 9? Si 0, si 3, si 6, wala na. Okay, does not exist. How about 1? 1 meron. 1 times 1 is 1. How about 2? Meron. 2 times 5, di ba?
2 times 5.
Okay, 2 times 5. How about 3? Wala. How about 4? Meron ba? 4 times?
7.
Correct, 7. 4 times 7. How about 5? 2, tama.
5 times 2.
Okay, how about 7? How about 7?
4.
Correct.
7 times 4, ma'am.
And how about 8? So, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8.
8 times 8.
Okay, have inverses. Oh, any observation? Look at this. I want you to particularly look into the modulus. Yan, look at this. Oh. Z sub 4, ang meron ito. Ito lang. Pag Z sub 5, ito. Z sub 6, yan. Z sub 7, ito. Can you see it? Nakikita? Kita nyo?
Hindi po, ma'am.
Ay, hindi nyo nakikita. Ang alin? Hindi yan. Yung board ko, hindi nyo nakikita? Hindi nyo nakikita yung board?
Hindi, ma'am.
Oh? O, any observation? Ngayon, okay na? Or you can jot it down if you have paper right now. Yan, for Z sub 4, elements 1 and 3 have inverses. For Z sub 5, elements 1, 2, 3, 4 or the non-zero elements have inverses. For Z sub 6, 1 to 5. Okay? For Z sub 7, 1 and 5 rather. For Z sub 7, 1 to 6. Or all the non-zero elements have inverses. For Z sub 9, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8 have inverses. Any observation? Anyone? I want you to pay attention to the modulus. I'm going to put together Z sub 4, Z sub 6, and Z sub 9. Sige, para meron kayong clue. So you can look into the similarities and differences. So I want you to pay attention to Z sub 4, Z sub 5, Z sub 6, and Z sub 9. And Z sub 5 and Z sub 7 as the other group. Compare and contrast. Any observation? Grace has an observation. Yung mga factor nila, ma'am, DNE po. Very good. Gandang observation yun look at Z sub 4. Factor daw ng 4 ang 2. Okay? Kaya wala siyang multiplicative inverse. Tama naman. Z sub 5. 2 factor ni 6. Tama. 3 factor ni 6. Si 4. Paano yung si 4? Another observation. Sabi ni Paulo, factor of a number except 1 is DNE. But how about for Z sub 6? 4 is not a factor of 6. However, its multiplicative inverse does not exist. Let's see another answer. Ma'am, kapag prime numbers, 0 lang ang wala. Yes! Look at Z sub 7, Z sub 5. Okay? Only 0 has no multiplicative inverse. All the rest, or in short, the non-zero elements have multiplicative inverses. Gets nyo? Z sub 5, Z sub 7. So, you're right. Nice observation, Kriza. Those for M, which is prime, ulit. When M is prime, when M modulus is prime, all non-zero elements, all non-zero elements have inverses. Okay? Yung hindi prime, gaya ni yan, Z sub 4, Z sub 6, at si Z sub 9. Z sub 4, Z sub 6, Z sub 9. Kasi it's not safe to be saying factors of m only eh. Because if you look into z sub 6, 4 is not a factor of 6. Aha, 1 and 3. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 2 plus, that's one good observation also from Caroline. Anything else? Again, look, pay attention. For z sub 6, 2, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4. For z sub 9, 0, 3, 6. Number is a factor of m. Its multiplicative inverse does not exist. Tama pa, kaso limitado yun eh. How will you justify or how will you qualify 4 in relation to 6? Meron silang something in common? Yan, no? 4, 6. Ito naman, 6, 9. Kung ano yung elements ng m, ma'am, kapag pinag-add lahat, ma'am, equals m. Eh, di ba 3 plus 6 equals 9 naman sa z sub 9. Tapos sa z sub, dito naman, 2 plus 4 equals 6 din naman, di ba? 2 plus 6 equals 6, does not exist naman. So, hindi pwede. So, ano?
Pag-add mo mga
Yes?
elements na mag-iwan sa
Again? Kapag hindi ko nakuha yung sagot ni Catherine?
kapag pumunta din sa ma'am, sa 4 ma'am, 6 equals 4, tapos dun sa 5 ma'am, and 4, tapos 2 and 3. Kapag in-add mo,
Ang alin? Saan? Sa?
yung mga ma'am.
Sa parte, yung sa z-sub.
Wala na sa 4 ma'am, 1 and 3, 4 ma'am. Tapos sa sub 5 ma'am, 1 and 4 and 2 and 8.
Pero hindi pwede dito. Kasi 2 plus 4 is 6. So, it does not work. Hindi rin pwede sa z-sub 9 because 3 plus 6 is 9 and 3 and 6 do not have inverses. Okay. Now, to help you get to the point, what is the relationship between 6 and the numbers 1 and 5? Okay, 6, 1, and 5. Okay? And then the numbers 9 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8.
Exam nila yung mga natira, ma'am.
Ano?
Yung kapag yung sa inverses, ma'am, kasi di ba sa 4, yung 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Tapos kapag sa 6 naman, yung 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Tapos sa 9 naman, ma'am, yung 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, tapos 5 plus 4 is equal to 9.
Eh, paano nga ito? 2 plus 4 equals 6.
Nandun sa inverses po yun, ma'am. Yung sa nasa inverse, yung merong inverses po, ma'am. Yung mga merong inverses po, ma'am. Yung sum po nila is yung modulo, ma'am.
Hindi, ito rin nga. Ang sum ng 2 at 4, di ba 6 din? Pero does not exist.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so, sige, another answer. Add daw po yung mga inverses, then yung sum, hindi pwede. Kasi 2 plus 4, 6. Does not exist ang 2, does not exist ang 4. Okay, another answer from Jade. Yung GCF nung Z at nung element is equal to 1. GCF nung modulus, nung M, modulus. M, ito, Z sub M. Yung GCF ng ng M at nung number 1. Merong term tayo dun eh. Pag ang greatest common factor ng dalawang numbers ay 1, how do we term that? For example, what is the greatest common factor of 5 and 6? Diba 1? 1. Anong tawag dun? 2 words. RP. Anong tawag dun? When two numbers have a GCF of 1, their highest common factor.
Relatively prime.
Okay, that's it.
Relative.
Relatively prime.
Relatively prime. So, now we arrived at another observation. If M is a composite number, 4, 6, 9. These are composite numbers, no? Only elements which are relatively prime to M have inverses. Okay? So, for the modulus, which is a composite, what's a composite number, by the way? Anyone who can answer? Composite number. M, 4, 6, 9, 8, 10, 12, 15. These are composite numbers. Have 2 or more factors. Okay? Okay, common factors. Or those numbers that could be, yan, tama. 2 or more factors. Yeah. Excluding 1. Okay, so, when M is composite, only numbers that are relatively prime. Okay, did you get that? Relatively prime to M have inverses. Kaya, for Z sub 4, which numbers are relatively prime to 4? 1 and 3. Sila lang ang may inverses. For Z sub 6, which numbers are relatively prime to 6? Meaning, ang common factor nila ay 1 lang. 1 and 5. Bakit hindi si 4? 6 and 4 share the same common factor, di ba? 2. Okay? So, 1 and 5 are the numbers or the elements which are relatively prime to 6. For Z sub 9, which numbers are relatively prime to 9? We have 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8. So, without asking you individually about inverses of each number, can you now tell me which elements of Z sub 8? Sige nga. Z sub 8 have multiplicative inverses. So, sa Z sub 8, ano kayang mga elements?
1, 3.
Who wants to answer?
1, 3, 7.
Okay, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7.
5, 7.
Correct.
5, 7.
Okay? 1, 3, 5, 7. So, which elements have no inverses? For Z sub 8, 0.
2, 4, 6.
Okay, 0.
0, 2, 4, 6. 8.
Ay, 8 wala. Z sub 8 ends with 7, di ba?
Hanggang 7 lang.
Okay. So, wala na, ma. Okay, klaro na tayo dyan sa inverses.
Yes, ma'am.
Sige, last. Congruence. Last na to for this morning. Congruence naman tayo. When are two integers congruent in modulo M? Okay? When are two integers congruent in modulo M? Two integers are congruent modulo M when they leave the same remainder upon division by M. Okay, for example, 12 and 7 are congruent in modulo 5. Yes? They leave a remainder of? Okay.
2.
Sige, isa-isahin ko kayo. Give me a pair of congruent integers in any modulo. Grace, para meron kayong attendance ngayon. Grace? Or whoever is ready muna. Sige. Any modulo. I'll jot down the names of those who participated. Back kasi parte ng grado nyo. Participation. Sige. Anyone? Just a pair. Grace? Jomar. 16 and 23 modulo 7. Tama. 2 modulo 7. Jomar. Next. Pwede chat if you don't like to speak. Mga shy type. Sige, type na lang. Arlene, 7 and 10 modulo 3. Okay. Jomar, Jerry, 10 and 4. Correct. Merlin, 27 and 5. 7? 25 and 7. Modulo 6. Yes. Next. Wala na? Kriza, 15 and 22 modulo. Kriza, okay. Then Jade, 5 and 8 modulo 3. Next, Grace, 16 and 18 modulo 5? No?
Hindi pwede, ma'am.
Kaya check mo, Grace. Dapat
3 and 1.
the same remainder upon division yun. Jolina, 16 and 11. Okay. Lynch Kelly, 57 and 22 modulo 5. Grace.
15 and 29 modulo 7.
Okay. Next, Paulo, 1621 modulo 5. Maribeth, 16:6 modulo 5.
13 and 12 modulo.
Catherine, 13 and 12. 13 and ulit, hindi ko nakita. Kathleen, 11:31 modulo 5. Chari, Marie Chris. Marie Chris, check your pair. I click. Hindi niya nakuha yung tanong. A pair of integers congruent under any modulo you decide. Bakit puro modulo 5 kayo? Modulo 5 lahat. Wala nang ibang integers. Modulo 6, Jamie. Attendance check na to,
13 and 12
Who's talking? Catherine. 13 and ano, hindi mo natuloy. Erica, 17 and 29.
12 modulo 5.
13 and 12? 13 and 12? Modulo 5? Check your example. Erica, 17 and 29 modulo 4. Correct? Paulo, Jeric, Erica, Jamie, Paulo, 10 and 19 modulo 9. Okay. Wala na? Who else? And the rest, I leave it to you as, so you continue reading this portion. So these are examples of, can you see the screen? Check on your screen. Can you see the examples? 1 to 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so look into the examples and then after that, I'd like you to work on your own by answering the drills and exercises. So all you have to do is to write your answers in a piece of paper. You can send me screenshot. You have until next week, okay? You have until next week, Tuesday. Because my next class with you is Wednesday. So I have to check it prior to our next session. Okay, so answer the drills. There are how many questions? 2 questions, but under each question there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 for number 1, and for number 2, 2, 4, 6. So 16, Screenshot nyo na lang. Hindi na file lang ibigay nyo sa akin. Sulat nyo na lang sa papel and then screenshot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sige. Have a nice day,
Thank you,
everyone. Bye-bye. It's exactly 12
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
o'clock.
ma'am.
Have a hearty
Have a nice
lunch.
day.
Bye, ma'am.
Enjoy your lunch
Bye,
na
ma'am.
muna. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.